Swing low, sweet chariot, coming for to carry me home. Swing low, sweet chariot, coming for to carry me home. If you'll be there before I go, coming for to carry me home. Help me move, my struggle's getting through, coming for to carry me home. Oh, hi, welcome to Starfleet Security, here on House of Trek, the home of Starfleet uniforms. Yes, today I'm in a Voyager style ensign security uniform, because today we have once again another Starfleet phaser rifle to look at. Yes, just like we did before with the first contact rifle made by Escape Props. This one is a 3D print made by someone on eBay, but it feels equal in quality and material to the first contact rifle actually. Just slightly lighter in weight, but otherwise it's comparable in my opinion. Yes, this is the phaser compression rifle, which was often seen on Star Trek Voyager. Yes, even from the very first episode, or the second episode, because I believe the first episode was, the first episode was a long special, so it was split in two originally, I think, when it aired for the first time. And in the second half of the first episode, we see this when two teams beam over to the caretaker's array, and one person on each team carry this, and Captain Janeway says before that, break out the phaser compression rifles, so we know that's the name of this. These were only seen on Star Trek Voyager, not on DS9, and never on the Next Generation either. Very different in many ways from other rifles, such as the ones seen on Next Generation and DS9, as well as the first contact rifles, so it's quite a unique design, if you will. But I like this, definitely. Just like the first contact rifles, it has a built-in light on top, so the flashlight is in here, and the phaser beam comes out of here, between these prongs, or whatever you want to call it here, and it is two-handed, so you hold it like this. This is a very good prop, in my opinion. I think this is a very good prop. Yeah, it looks like the rifle on the show. Looks accurate enough for me at least. If you like it, leave a comment down below. Yeah, it is nice and lightweight, but doesn't feel flimsy, so it's still solid enough. You don't have to baby it, so that's good. Yeah, maybe not super comfortable to grip, but it's okay. Yeah, it's definitely acceptable. It could be a whole lot worse. Yeah. And this is, by the way, the second version of the phaser. Sorry. And by the way, this is the second version of the phaser compression rifle, because originally the prop had this light emitter on top, angled down in the front instead of up like it is here. So this is the version 2 or Mark II design of this. Yeah, because in later seasons of the show they changed this to have it the way it is here, so it provides a bigger light source. Yeah, this is a static prop, just like the first contact rifle, so there's no electronics in here. You can't have this light up or anything. There's no sound, no nothing. It's just a static prop, but it's a very good one. I like it, yeah. It definitely gets a good score from me, yeah. The phaser compression rifle. A 3D-print, yeah. That I'm definitely happy with, yeah. So that's it for this review of the 3D printed Starfleet Star Trek Voyager phaser compression rifle. Yeah. Have a nice day. Viva la revolution and live long and prosper. Yes. See ya. I was working on the railroad all the long day. I was working on the railroad just to pass the time away. La 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 la.